Filipina, yeah.
Hi, we did it!
Hey friends, it's Gabby. I'm back here in front of you, and today I'm gonna vlog, and I'm not in school today because I'm taking my road test for the second time. I just wanted to vlog this because I thought it would be interesting. It's currently 9:28 and I'm getting ready. My road test is at 2:30 and I'm currently watching a Korean drama. Touch Your Heart is the title. Update. So it's now 10:30, so we're about to leave, and yeah, so I'm kind of scared, but I hope for the best. Let's go. Bye! Leo, bye-bye! So I finished my road test today? Sad.
Hi, we did it!
Yay!
Thank you!
Woohoo! After the hard work, I'm sweating. Almost in tears.
Sweating.
Yeah. So I just got back from the DMV and I'm finally home. I'm really exhausted, but I'm really happy that I finally got my driver's license. I worked long and hard for my license, so I'm really proud of myself for achieving that. To those people who are about to take the road test or failed the road test and are gonna take it again, I recommend you guys to stay calm, deep breaths before your road test, smile to your driver's instructor. The road test instructor that I have was really nice, so I'm really grateful for that. And also my road test itself was really easy. If you're from Jersey, I took it in Randolph. It was a really easy road test and it was a lot easier than the one in Lodi. If you're planning to take it here in New Jersey, I definitely recommend taking it there. That is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. If you want to see driving videos or something, now that I have my license, I will definitely do that as long as I have a car. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살